Hi, Goddess of Love here. Again, kamusta kayo dyan, mga goddess ko? So, another reading na naman tayo today for the fire signs, Aries, Leo, and Sag, no? So, kamusta kayo dyan, mga fire signs natin, no? Anong meron sa mga fire signs natin dyan, no? So, before we start, no, overall reading to for you, fire signs, Aries, Leo, and Sag. And of course, this is a general reading and vice versa tayo rito, no? Pwedeng person on your mind ang binabasa natin because energy are vice versa, no? Pwedeng magkapalit-palit yan, right? No? So, I hope na you understand, of course, once you are tuning in or watching a general reading, right? No? So, let's start. So let's start with you, a fire sign, no? Aries, Leo, Sag. So, kuha tayo ng one card here for you, fire signs, no? Let's see, anong message or advice for you ng iyong inner self, right? So, let's see, kuha tayo ng one card here for you, fire signs, Aries, Leo, and Sag. So, you have this, no? Spirit warrior. Wow, 'di ba? Be brave and true, no? So, sinasabi sa iyo dito ng iyong inner self, no? Ang mga goddesses ko, fire signs, Aries, Leo, and Sag, no? So, sinasabi sa iyo ng inner self, no, na be brave and be true to yourself, right? No? Kumbaga, i-handle mo ng imbalance, i-handle mo ng balanse ang iyong self, right? And of course, be brave enough to face the challenges in life, no? Huwag kang matatakot, no? Sinasabi sa iyo ng inner self, no? Because you are this spirit warrior, no? Malakas ang iyong fighting spirit, no? For some of you. And you are being guided, of course, ng iyong mga spirit guides and of course ni universe din, right? No? And with this true, no, just be true to yourself, no? Sinasabi ng iyong inner self, no? Whatever challenges in life, ano man ang kinakaharap mo or haharapin mo, maging totoo ka lang sa sarili mo at lahat malalagpasan mo yan, no? And you have this, brave ka na, no? And just being true, no, makakadagdag pa yan sa iyong self-esteem, no? At wala nang makakatalo, no, for some of you, no, just being brave and true, it's enough to face any challenges, no? So, inasabi sa'yo ng inner self mo, no, mga fire signs, Aries, Leo, and Sag, no? So, yan, no, napakaganda ng message ng iyong inner self, no, mga fire signs, right? No? So, let's see, no, ano namang love situation for you, fire signs. So, let's see. Kuha tayo ng 2 cards here for you, fire signs, Aries, Leo, and Sag. Please, 2 cards for fire signs. Please, Universe, Holy Spirit. So, let's see anong meron sa love situation ng mga fire signs natin, right? So, tignan natin. So, you have this Libra, no? Maybe for some of you, you are dealing with a Libra. And then, for some of you naman, Aries. So, bakit ko nasabing Aries? Maybe for some of you, na fire sign with an Aries zodiac sign, you are dealing with a Libra, right? No? But then, no, overall, fire sign, maybe with the Libra, no, kasi si Libra kasi, siya yung justice natin, no, right? No, so, maybe for some of you, ay magkakaroon na rin ng justice, no, for some of you, sa inyong, past relationship, or kung ano man itong kinakaharap ninyo, mga fire signs natin, justice will be served, justice will be balanced, mga, fire sign, right? No? So, talagang sinasabi nga rito, be balanced lang talaga and be true to yourself, no? And of course, justice will be served, no? In your favor. Just be brave enough and true, no? Sa iyong sarili, right? And what else? So, literally, no, fire, no? So, talagang energy nyo ito, no? Fire signs, right? No, you are in fire, right? No? So, while you're in fire, no, gawin mo lahat ng kaya mong gawin, whatever it is, sa sarili mo, career man, business, whatever, job, family, no, na makakatulong para ma-boost ang iyong self-esteem, no? Ang iyong sarili, no? Ang kung ano man mga gusto mong i-develop pa more sa iyong sarili. But then with the fire, then of course with the love situation you are in, no? You are in fire, no? With that, no? Fiery ang inyong relationship for some of you, no? Nagkakaroon ng mas passionate, no? Something like that, no? Very passionate kayo sa isa't isa ng person on your mind for some of you, mga fire signs natin, right? So let's see what else. Kuha tayo ng 3 cards here for you, fire signs, Aries, Leo, and Sag, no? 3 cards for fire signs, please. Additional messages for their love situation for the fire signs, please. Kuha tayo ng 3 cards for you, fire signs. So, let's see. So, you have this, no? You deserve someone better, no? Letting you go, no? Parang kay water sign kanina, no? Merong pagpapalaya or pagpaparaya dito, right? No? So, may nagpapalaya sa sitwasyon, no? For some of you, fire sign. Yeah. And then, what else? Tignan pa natin. Thinking of you, no? So, but then, still, no? This person or you are this, no? Is still thinking, no, of that person, of the relationship, right? And what else? I am worthless, no? So, yan, no, merong malungkot talaga rito, no? Maybe talagang nagkaroon ng separation, may pagle-let go na nangyari, may umalis sa relationship, no? For the better, no? Something like that, no? Kaya siguro meron dito sa unang deck nyo, be brave and true, no? So, you are just being true to yourself, no? For some of you, no? Fire sign. That's why you are letting go of this person, no? Something like that, no? Kasi nga, maybe there are reasons, no? Na kailangan talagang i-sacrifice for some of you. Or maybe for some of you talagang hindi na rin nagkakaintindihan at para hindi na lumala ang isang sitwasyon or ang inyong relationship, anuman ito, ay better to let go of each other na lang, no? Something like that. Or maybe for some of you, ang person mo hindi na nakikita niyang napakalungkot mo na, maybe ay gusto na rin niyang maging masaya ka, no? Maybe ay may nakikitaan siya sa'yo na you are being happy with other person, no? Something like that, no? We don't know, no? Kung saan ba talaga yung part na kayo ba yung may other person na mas masaya kayo doon or maybe ay hindi na kayo masaya sa inyong relationship. That's why the other person is letting you go dahil gusto niya maging masaya ka naman din or vice versa again, no? And then the other person is feeling worthless because para sa kanya, hindi niya magawang mapasaya ka, no? And kahit anong gawin siguro ng person na ito, ay hindi niya makuha yung true happiness, no? Something like that. Because that's why this person is feeling worthless, no? And yeah, no? So, ayun yung nakikita ko dito, no? Mga fire signs natin, right? So, what else? Wait lang. Kuha pa tayo ng additional messages for you, fire signs. So, yeah, kuha tayo ng 2 cards here for you, fire signs. 2 cards for fire signs, please. Additional messages for fire signs, please. Universe, Holy Spirit, additional messages. Kuha pa tayo, no? 2 cards, please. 2 cards for fire signs, please. Aries, Leo, and Sag, no? So, wait lang. May mga lumalabas talaga, no? So, yeah. Last, mix of cards, right? So, kuha tayo ng 2 cards for you, fire signs. So, let's see, ano yan? So, you have this, no? Unstable, irresponsible, taking advantage, user, abuser. So, yeah, no? Maybe for some of you, fire sign, you are dealing with a person, a very abusive person, right? No? Irresponsible, hindi marunong tumupad sa mga pangako, hindi ginagampanan ng kanyang mga responsible, ang kanyang mga obligation sa family, maybe for some of you, right? May family na, may mga kids na, no? At hindi niya nagagampanan ng kanyang purpose as a father, mother, no? Something like that, no? So, yan, no? At nagte-take advantage to, no? Whoever it is, no? Vice versa again, right? So, what else? So, you have this, no? Forgiveness, apology, love offer, gift, secret admirer. So, yeah, for some of you, you have to forgive and forget, no? Something like that, para makamove on kayo, no? Something like that. Kung nasaktan kayo, you have to learn to forgive that person, right? And then, for some of you naman na alam mong nakagawa ka ng kasalanan, fire sign, please ask for forgiveness. Para din yun sa'yo, no? Makalaya ka rin sa burden na nararamdaman mo, no? Syempre, of course, no, alam mong nagkaroon ka ng kasalanan sa partner mo, better to have ask apology, no, something like that, no, para din naman yun sa'yo, no, matahimik ka din, no, something like that, kumbaga, ay magaan din, no, gumaan ang iyong kalooban rin for some of you. So, baggages kasi, no, kapag meron tayong hindi pinapatawad at meron tayong hindi tayo pinapatawad na person, right? No, and then for some of you, there is a new love offer coming. For some of you, maybe in the near future. For some of you na single right now, focusing on yourself, no? In the near future, there is a true love coming, a long-term connection, relationship for you, fire signs, Aries, Leo, and Sag, no? For some of you, no? So, let's see what else, ano pang meron for you. Kuha pa tayo ng 2 cards for you, mga fire signs natin, no? 2 cards for fire signs, please. For additional messages, no? Para sa ating mga fire signs, please. Para marami tayong makuha mga energies, no? Sitwasyon ninyo, no? Mga fire signs natin. At makarelate most of you, no? So, let's see. Kuha pa tayo ng 2 cards for fire signs, please. So, let's see what is that. So, you have this grief, anchor, change, way down. So, meron talaga dito, no, for some of you in a relationship naman, fire sign, meron ditong bigat na sa sitwasyon dahil may nagpapabigat rin, no. So, parang ikaw na lahat ang umaako ng obligasyon niya kasi nga meron kang person na irresponsible, no. Something like that, no. And what else? So, bounty hunter, no, chaser, hot pursuit. No, so meron talaga rito, kumbaga, pabigat na nga, no, ang hirap pang kontakin, ang hirap pang hanapin, no, kumbaga ay laging nawawala pa, kailangan pa ay kung saan mo pa hagilapin, no, para lang ay gawin yung kanyang obligasyon, no. So, meron ditong ganong person, no, for some of you na ang hirap-hirap kausapin, no, at kailangan pang kung ano-ano pa yung pagdaanan mo para lang makausap mo tong person na ito at para lang ibigay yung responsible niya, no, ang yung mga obligasyon niya, no, sa pamilya ninyo, right? No, so napakahirap i-deal ng tao na ito, napakahirap kausapin, napakahirap intindihin, no, something like that, no. So, yan, no, kumbaga, maybe for some of you, napapagod na rin, no, at kailangan nyo nang umalis, no? That's why you are letting go, no, of this person, no? Or vice versa again, no? So, talagang kailangan na talagang mag-let go kung talagang may ganitong person, no? Ang hirap i-deal, no? Something like that, no? Mga fire signs natin, Aries, Leo, and Sag, no? So, talagang, kumbaga, makikita mo, hindi worth it ng iyong pagmamahal if the person is ang hirap hanapin, no? Something like that. Literal, 'di ba? Literal na for some of you ang hirap hagilapin, no? Bigla na lang mawawala and then ang obligasyon nawawala na rin, no? At biglang babalik. No, there is an on and off situation, no, dito, no, kind of situation here for some of you. Fire sign, no? That's why, no, for some of you, nag-let go na. For some of you, kailangan na rin humingi ng apology and then give some forgiveness, no? And then for some of you nga, ano, dahil ang meron ditong ang hirap ispelengin na person, right? No? Maybe a super immature one, no? something like that, no? So, talagang napaka-complicated ng sitwasyon na ito for some of you fire sign, right? No, so let's see what's the message or advice for you ni universe, no, mga fire signs natin, no? What's the message or advice for you ni universe, no, mga fire signs? Kuha tayo ng one card for you, fire signs, Aries, Leo, and Sag, no? Message or advice for you ni universe, no, mga fire signs. Message or advice for fire signs, please. Kuha tayo ng one card. So, manifesting magic, no? So, yan, no, for some of you, sinasabi sa'yo ni universe, ina-advise sa'yo na to focus on yourself, focus on your dreams, focus what is you really wanted into your life, to come true into your life, no? Something like that, no? Tama na yung ibang tao, no? It's time for you to prioritize yourself now, no, mga fire signs natin, no? Aries, Leo, and Sag, right? No? With this manifesting magic, no? You are really no good in manifesting anything, no? So binibigyan ka dito ni universe ng power, sabihin nating power, right? Na to manifest anything, no? You deserve this, no? For some of you na ang dami ng paghihirap na pinagdaanan sa buhay, right? No? But then of course, you need hindi lang tayo basta-basta mag-wish, magma-manifest, but then we have to do the work, of course, right? No? But then napakalakas mo kay universe na meron ka ng meron kang opportunity na ganito, na anything you want to manifest will be coming true, no? Together with your hard work, right? No, mga Aries, Aries. So maybe for some of you Aries kayo, no? So yeah, no. For some of you fire signs, no, Aries, Leo, and Sag, no, you have this privilege from the universe, no. This is your reward, no, for some of you, 'di ba? Sa lahat ng paghihirap na pinagdaanan niyo, sakripisyo, whatever, no. So kayo lang din nakakaalam niyan, right? Mga fire signs natin, right? No, so napakaganda, right? No, so yeah, that's it for you, no? So mga fire signs natin, right? No, so napakaganda ng reading for you, mga fire sign. Maniwala lang kayo, anything, no? With this manifesting magic, no? Nothing is impossible. Again, no? Lagi ko yung sinasabi, basta you have this faith, strong faith in God, and of course, no? Faith sa sarili ninyo, right? No? Nothing is impossible, right? You can do anything, no? You can do anything, right? Diba? So, napakaganda, right? No? So, yeah, that's it for you, fire signs. Aries, Leo, and Sag, no? So, napakasaya, and I'm happy for you na you are very lucky and you are being favored, no, by the universe, no, and you deserve this, no, something like that. That's why may letting go of this, meron kayong letting go because you deserve something na para talaga sa'yo, no, at deserve nyo ito, no, fire signs, right? No, so yeah, God bless you all, and thank you for watching, fire signs.